Welcome to Hack the Matric. In today's exploration, we're delving into the captivating realm of Google Dorking. Whether you're a newcomer to this concept or eager to broaden your understanding, this video aims to offer a complete grasp of Google Dorking and its functionality. Google Dorking, also known as Google hacking, is a technique that uses advanced search operators to refine and narrow down Google search results. It involves using specific search strings and operators to find information that might not be easily accessible through conventional searches. Understanding Google operators. Now let's delve into the key operators used in Google Dorking. 1. Cite. This operator limits the search results to a specific website or domain. For instance, citeexample.com will search only within that website. 2. Entitle. It helps find pages with specific words in the title. Using entitle password can reveal pages with password in their titles. 3. File type. By using this operator, you can filter results by file type. For instance, file type PDF will display PDF files related to your search. Google Dorking for information retrieval. Google Dorking isn't just about finding random data. It's commonly used by security professionals to discover sensitive information that's inadvertently exposed on the internet. This includes confidential documents, login pages, vulnerable devices, and more. Staying ethical and legal. It's crucial to emphasize the ethical and legal considerations while using Google Dorking. Always ensure you have permission to access the information you're searching for and avoid using it for any malicious purposes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Dorking is a powerful tool for information retrieval, but must be used responsibly and ethically. Understanding its operators and capabilities can enhance your search efficiency while respecting privacy and legal boundaries. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave comments or questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, you can visit my website hackthematric.com, link in description, to learn more about it.